Atlas the pirate just got a new job on a real pirate ship. His job was to steer the ship. If he turned the wheel right, the ship went right. If he turned the wheel left, the ship went left. There was just one problem. Atlas didn't know who the captain was. So Atlas decided to obey everybody. The blue pirate said to go left. Atlas obeyed and he turned left. But just then, the green pirate said to go right. So Atlas obeyed the green pirate and turned the other way. Just then, the purple pirate said to go left. So Atlas obeyed the purple pirate and turned the ship around again. Just then, the parrot said to go right. So Atlas obeyed the parrot and turned the ship around again. Atlas was doing his very best to obey everyone. But he was getting tired. And the ship wasn't getting anywhere. It was just going around in circles. Just then, Atlas could hear footsteps coming up the stairs. And all the other pirates could hear the footsteps too. "Why are we going around in circles?" the pirate said. "Batten down the hatches and sail north." "Aye, aye, Captain," said the blue pirate. "Aye, aye, Captain," said the green pirate. "Aye, aye, Captain," said the purple pirate. "Aye, aye, Captain," said the parrot. "Aye, aye, Captain," said Atlas. And the ship sailed north. Did you know that the prophet is kind of like a captain? The prophet is the one that Heavenly Father has chosen to speak for him and to lead his church. If we all try to speak for God, and we all try to lead the church, it won't work very well. But if we follow God's chosen prophet, then we can start moving in the right direction together. For all things must be done in order.
Kanga Toys creates fun and interactive products that help children learn the gospel of Jesus Christ. Use the code LDK15 at checkout to get 15% off your order.